I wish they would know about their pictures about the school year.
So Ace, you like it when they show pictures?
Yes.
I wish that my school knew that we use a lot of visuals and things that help us, such as like the smart board where it shows different pictures, and the flexible seating that we use, such as like bouncy balls and things that help us concentrate more.
I wish they knew how I learn. I use that.
I wish that I can learn that video, that it helped me to learn.
I think teachers need to take into consideration that everyone learns different, and so sometimes if a kid arrives to an answer at through different means and not necessarily the way that was taught, I think that should still be just as accepted.
UDL draws from a variety of research including the fields of neuroscience and the learning sciences and cognitive psychology.
UDL is a lens to look through when designing lessons that values learner variability by having a clear goal, multiple means to represent, engage, and express learning of that goal.